This right here might be the smartest bathroom upgrade that I've ever made. This is the HOROW T38P smart toilet, or as I like to call it, the spa that flushes, all right? So if you guys thought that your smart home tech stopped at your smart lights, your smart locks, or your smart camera, nah, you ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go ahead and get into what makes this smart toilet an everyday luxury. Let's discuss. All right, so the first thing I want to show you guys when it comes to the premium style smart toilet, and that is the foam shield. This automatically activates the moment that you sit down, where it will put out a 30mm thick foam barrier that does three things. So number one, it's an anti-splash. So no more backsplashes, and I don't think we need to go any further into what that is. If you know, then you know, all right? Number two is the anti-odor, where it traps smell as well as bacteria inside the bowl. And last, number three is the anti-aerosol that keeps things fresh and sealed when flushing. So basically, you guys are getting a device with no smell, no spraying, and no worries, all right? This is what I call peace of mind every time nature calls, all right?